How to find Snapchat email by username. Here's what you need to know. Snapchat does not publicly show a user's email address for privacy and security reasons. This means you can't directly find someone's email just by searching their Snapchat username. However, if you're trying to find the email linked to your own Snapchat account, open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Near the top of the settings page, you'll see your account information, including the email address connected to your Snapchat account. If you're looking for someone else's email address, Snapchat does not provide that information. The only way to get their email is if they choose to share it with you directly through chat, their profile, or another platform. So while you can view the email connected to your own Snapchat account, finding someone else's email by username is not possible through Snapchat. That's it for this quick Snapchat tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, account settings guides, and social media tutorials.